Hi. Today we're going to make a table with HTML. Now right now I have this file which is called tables.html and it's not too exciting. If we go to Firefox and I refresh this, there's nothing here. So let's get started so we can have a good table. First you need to use the table tags like this. That's not too bad. Then inside the table, first we kind of want a header to explain what our table is about. We'll do a table about the New York Knicks. So, okay, table header. This is how you make a header, okay? And we'll say New York Knicks, not Knucks, Knicks. And then inside you're gonna make table rows, okay? Every time you want to make a new row in your table, you use table row. Well, first we'll save this and we'll show you what happens when you go to Firefox and look at your table. So you just have the table header right there. It's bolded. It looks good. And then inside each row, you want to have a certain number of columns. You can every column is you can make a new one using this table data tag TD. And let's say we want 3. So we want 3 columns. Table data. This is going to make us 3 columns. All right. And let's say we want 3 rows. We just copy this and make them like so. Now we're going to put some stuff inside of our table. Let's do different players. Let's do Carmelo. We're going to do Porzingis, and let's get some Joakim Noah, or Joakim, however you say his name. All right, now for Carmelo, let's see how many points does he score. It's 20 points. Porzingis, he's gonna be, yeah, we'll give Porzingis, he scores about 18 points a game. Joakim Noah, he'll score about 15 points a game. And in this column, let's put rebounds. I have no idea. Let's say he gets 10 boards a game. That's very good. Probably doesn't. 8. No, he would get more. No, Joakim Noah definitely gets a lot of boards. We'll give him 11. All right, so now let's save this. And let's see what our table looks like. Wow, an exciting table, but we can do more. And I'll have Julian show you how.
All right, so it's Julian here now, and I'm going to show you guys how to add attributes to your HTML file. So what I'm going to start with is a border. And this is just going to add a border around all my contents of my table. And I'm going to set the thickness of my border to 2. So, all right, now we're going to save that. We'll see how it changed. So now you can see all the contents of my table have a little border around them all. And next I'm going to do call span, which is the number of columns that header has, so that our header won't just be centered over one column. Now save that. So now we can go back to our file and refresh it and see that our title fits nicely above all the contents of our table. Now I'm going to add a width so that our column gets a little bigger and more spread out, or our table. Make that actually 500. So now save that and we'll see that our table will now be bigger. It's 3. Oh. Oops, there we are. Save that. And there, our table is now bigger. And now going back, and I'm going to add one more and do cell padding, which is the distance the words are from the border. Make that 10. So now we're going to save that, go back to our file and refresh that. And now we can see it's a little more spaced out from top and bottom. And now we have our nice, newly formatted table with all the attributes added.
So I hope you learned a little bit about how to make a table in HTML. This is very helpful, and I think it's a lot of fun. So I encourage you to go try this at home. Thanks for watching.